Welcome to Vagigi Meditations. Today, I will guide you to feel calm, grounded, and connected to the earth, helping you realign yourself. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold the breath for a moment. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your body relax. Now, bring your awareness to your heart space. Imagine a soft, radiant light glowing in your heart. This light is warm, soothing, and full of your unique energy. Imagine this light beginning to move downward, traveling through your body. It flows from your heart, through your stomach, into your hips, and down your legs. As it reaches the soles of your feet or the base of your spine, the light continues downward, forming roots that extend deep into the earth. See these roots of light traveling through layers of soil, rock, and water. They move deeper and deeper. Reaching the very center of the earth. At the earth's core, imagine a powerful, nurturing energy glowing in the form of a brilliant golden light. Let your roots settle here, absorbing this energy. Feel the stability of the earth holding you, the coolness of the soil, the strength of the rocks, the flow of the water, and the warmth of the earth's fire. Stay here for a few moments, allowing this grounding energy to flow back up through your roots, filling your body whilst taking deep breaths in and out. As this energy reaches your heart, feel its calming, stabilizing presence blending with your own light. When you're ready, begin to draw your roots back up. Slowly bring the energy you've gathered with you, pulling it through the layers of the earth and into your feet. Legs, right up through to the top of your head. Let it return to your heart space, where it mixes with your unique energy, creating a radiant and powerful glow. Take a deep breath and imagine this light expanding and whirling outward, flowing into your aura. See it filling the space around you, creating a shield of light that swirls and sparkles. Now, take a moment to set a deep intention for your life, something you need right now. It could be peace, clarity, confidence, or something deeply personal to you. Affirm to yourself in your mind, I am grounded, calm, and supported. I carry this energy with me into everything I do. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes softly, carrying this grounded, radiant energy into the rest of your day or night.